Why the fear of General Chiwenga runs deeper than politics. There is a word being whispered in Harari's corridors of power with a growing agency, and that word is dynasty. Zarabina Mashko Benny Papangwa in my general, but I Lieutenant General Winston Skogama Brang, who was subscribed all I got on the bill icon. Tinda by him do I come Chiti. Not spoken openly, of course. Those closest to the current administration know better than to say it aloud, but it is there. In the maneuvering, in the reshuffles, in the quiet sidelining of those who once stood shoulder to shoulder with the liberation struggle's living institutions, I have worn the uniforms of this country. I have sat in the rooms where succession were discussed in whispers long before it reached the newspapers, and I say it to you plainly. What is being attempted is not succession planning. It is an attempt to close a door that many believe should never have been closed. General Constantino Chiwenga is not merely a political figure to be managed. He is to a significant constituency within the security services, the war veterans, and the ordinary citizens who remembers 2017 a symbol of an unfinished promise that this would be a government of renewal, not a government of replacement dynasties. It is this symbolism more than any single policy dispute that appears to unsettle those closest to the president. Why the hostility? Ask around Harare, and you will hear the same theory repeated in different ways that a genuine transition to General Chiwenga would not merely cost certain figures their positions, it would expose them to scrutiny they have spent years trying to avoid. Insiders describe a climate in which loyalty is measured not by service, but by the nation, but by one see usefulness in keeping the current arrangement in place indefinitely. Whether that translates into formal accountability for abuse of office on Zimbabwe's institutions, not this column can determine. Toma developments are good pangwa ine. Na comment section medias of your email to leave on subscribe or like chat on the bell icon.